In the previous video we created a window and a shader pipeline. Today we will write a fragment shader and finally add color to our triangle. As we don't need to append new primitives, we will omit geometry shader and continue with fragment shader. Here we also need to specify GLSL version as it was in vertex shader. Then we declare 4D vector for fragments color. As it will be passed to other stages of pipeline, we need to mark it as output of our shader, keyword out. And then in the main function we define this vector of color. After this simple shader, each fragment of triangle will have the same color. After we have created all shaders, we need to compile them and link in shader program, which will then be executed on the GPU. For your convenience, I suggest you create a header. In this header we define shader class. Let's move to its constructor. We pass to it names of file where we wrote shaders. Then we read these files and we need to have source of type char pointer. Then we create shaders. And then we need to check whether some error occurred while creation of each shader. For this purpose we create special function where we pass descriptor on our shader and shader type. For convenience you can create enum inside this class with shader type. Then we get information about compilation status. And if something went wrong, we get logs using function glGetShaderInfoLog. And depending on shader type, we will make correspondent output. In the next video, we will link the shaders, create the shader program, and finally render the triangle on the screen. Subscribe to stay tuned.